Check out the ship leaving Marquette. Hey Vinny, you see the dog up on that deck? German Shepherd. See what he's wearing on his collar? I do too.
Old Dixie, Florida. That's a large fish. And that's a pretty big rock too.
Look at the hairdo on that back stack. He's combed.
Yeah, I wonder if that rock's gonna completely cover that son of a bitch.
Looks like Don King. Maybe. Maybe not.
Whoa. You're foamy out there, dude. You're going to fucking weed.
85, Vinny. It's going behind the 85. We'll have to see what that is. Maybe it got donated in 85? No. No. Is it going to cover the whole ship? I say no.
I say hell yeah.
You think it will? I say no. Excellent commentary from Vincent Davis. Expert.
That's a big ass rock.
It ain't that big. It's a big boat.
Did how about that canoe out there or what?
What boat?
That's weird, man.
I sure would like to see a boat here. It'd be nice to see a boat out here, you know? That'd be cool. I'd like to walk out here, you know. Yeah, no doubt.
You walk out there a little bit.
Pretty cool, man. Wonder where it's heading off to. Sioux Locks, probably.